Honestly, I don't know anyone who doesn't like some sort of practical technology in their home, but if you're a do-it-yourselfer in terms like Romex, pigtails, junction box, and a massive surge give you the heebie-jeebies, don't tackle electrical jobs. Hire a professional to do it for you. Now, that being said, I gotta tell you, there's some pretty cool stuff on the market. Anytime you tackle an electrical job, two rules that I follow, always. Number one, find the breaker that operates whatever you're working on, kill it. Even though I've done this as many years as I have been working on electrical, I always take a meter, make sure there's no juice going to it. Okay, let's talk switches. Easy to replace, but if you're gonna replace one, why not go high tech? Check this out. Okay, how many times have you heard this? Time to go to bed. Oh, Mom, 5 more minutes. Okay, you walk in their room, click, hit the 5-minute button. It's a timer. You replace the switch with the timer. Goes off automatically. I love this thing, easy to do. Here's another great one. This is an occupancy sensor. Basically, I've got a 180-degree motion detector on this thing. I don't even have to look for the light switch. I walk in the room, it comes on. Again, easy to install. Okay, I understand electricity still bothers a lot of people out there. How about this? A remote control, wireless. You don't even have to wire anything. Plug in your television, small electronics, appliances, lights to this module. Automatic, it's working. You just put this on the wall and you've got a switch to it. Want something even simpler? You want those exterior lights to come on at dusk, go off at dawn? All you've got to do is screw this module into the light socket, the light bulb into the module, and you're done.